Welcome, friends. This is Mira Johnson, founder of Breaking Bread with Mira. And
I'm Destiny Sanchez, and I am the owner of Healing, Love, and Light.
And today we have gathered together to share with you, as the beginning of the year, some best practices of what we do and what we've learned based on our experience on how you could start the year planning to have a prosperous and healthy year. And today we're going to share some best practices with you.
We're going to talk about health and wellness. We'll go into some cooking tips that you can use. We'll talk about mental health and also how to deal with having a hectic lifestyle.
So health and wellness really includes everything. It includes your work time, the way you work with your family, the time that you take for yourself, what are you saying yes to, and we're gonna give you some tips on that include all of that.
So yeah, health and wellness, I think, really includes everything in your life. From getting up in the morning, like your daily routine and everything. I really think it includes everything and how you live your life. And if you're living your life, the right way, doing things that are healthy for you, you're just gonna notice it in every single aspect of your life. And that's why I really think it includes everything that we're gonna be talking about today.
In reality, sometimes we focus just on the physical part, but the reality is that we're a spirit, mind, soul, and body. So if you're not balanced in that, one of the parts of your life is going to suffer. So that's why it's important to look at each one of the time management on the things that you're applying your time and your effort. And a way to look at it is your time, treasure, and talent. So when you look at where you're applying and how you're balancing that, that's going to give you a good temperature on where your health and wellness is at.
Drinking water, another important topic.
Yes.
You actually need to drink. You actually should be drinking quite a bit to make sure that you're hitting the ounces that you should be drinking.
Yeah.
That's pretty much all I drink is just water, and I make sure to carry around a container.
So your little container.
My water. When I pick up my boys too, they either want one on their own, or I know that they're gonna drink mine because they're all about water, just like I am. If you're not getting enough water, you want to pay attention to some of the symptoms that you might be feeling, such as headaches. I know that I was getting bad headaches when I was drinking too much soda or coffee and not enough water. I was getting lots of headaches. Having dry skin, that's another symptom of not drinking enough water.
Constipation is another symptom of not having enough water in your body. Yeah. And one thing that I go by too, I stopped drinking, anything. I believe that if I'm going to eat calories or carbs, they gotta taste delicious. So I don't put them on my drinks. I drink water all the time. I give myself a little treat when I drink carbonated water, just because I love the fizz, and I mix it with juices that are 100% juice and don't have added sugars. But it is important that you watch what type of water that you drink, because if you're not drinking water that has the right pH balance, which should be 3.7, it should be 7.8 or higher, your body is not going to absorb the water, and that's why you hear the bubbling on your stomach. And even if you're drinking water, you don't feel that your skin is moisturized enough, or you're having trouble going to the bathroom and getting rid of toxins. And you want to look at the quality of your water, and there's ways to make sure that your water is alkaline, and adding lemons is one way. Adding baking soda is another way. There's also machines that you can purchase and add to your kitchen equipment, your plumbing, and these machines, this water is going to go through plates, and those plates are going to make sure that your water is alkaline, and you could use it for cooking, that would be the utmost choice. But of course, you want to make sure that you can afford that. But there's other natural ways, like I said, with lemon and baking soda, to make sure that your water is alkaline. And moving into hectic lifestyles, most of us live it. Whether you're a homemaker or you're the CEO of a company, finding balance between work and life and play can definitely be a challenge, because if you're an entrepreneur, you're always working. Your mind is always running. You're always seeing opportunity. You're always, trying to problem solve. If you are at home and you have a family that you're the manager of that home. So you are dealing with bills, you're dealing with time frames, you're dealing with the responsibilities that come with handling and keeping your family healthy. So how do you find balance? Again, you want to sit down and look at your schedule. There's only so much you can do during the day, and it's overwhelming if you're down resting and your body's resting, but your mind is thinking, oh, I should be doing this and I should be doing that because I do that, and that's not healthy either. Where again are you delegating? Because truth is that you can't handle a home and a business by yourself. You need to understand where you thrive and what are the areas that you need help with, and make sure that your work environment is healthy, that you're taking in and you're getting out good things about it, and let peace be your empire. This is what helped me last month make the decision of backing out of things that I was saying yes to that were actually unhealthy for me. Is this gives me peace? Is there a good outcome to this? And if it's not giving you peace, then recalculate. If you're lost on your GPS, it's gonna recalculate you. Keep your goals, but go back to your plan and how you can achieve those goals without killing yourself. And to me, exercise is important, Destiny. If I don't work out in 3 days, my body starts falling apart. So I need to keep that. And one thing that works for me and I like doing is, for example, if I'm taking time for leisure and I'm watching something online, whether it's a training or something I'm learning or just a comedy, what I do is I lay down on the floor and I do a quick Pilates session. And that strengthens my muscles, and it helps with inflammation, and it just it helps me, release. Another thing that I like doing is taking time in the evenings with my husband. We work out together and we encourage each other, and we kind of hold each other accountable too. And it's good for us. It's good times that we're not serving anyone, because he's also in retail and it's very stressful and hectic. So it's time that we take for ourselves. And during that time, I'm not answering calls. I'm not dealing with other people. It's just the two of us working out, and it's fun. It's fun, and it actually strengthens also our relationship. So whether you're married or single, again, I enjoy working out by myself too. It's not something that I need to have, him there to do it, and so does he. It's better when you have somebody to bounce off. And what would you advise? Because this is one thing that you do. You help people build their bodies through exercise. So heal their bodies. So what do you advise on that?
My go-to exercise is always going to be yoga, because that is the one thing that helped heal my body from having a broken neck. I was in just constant pain all the time, wondering how I was going to make it for the rest of my life. Raising 2 children and feeling this pain, and
the broken neck came from a car accident.
A car accident, yep, back in 2001. So it's been almost 20 years.
Wow.
And my neurologist did warn me that I was going to be in the worst pain in my late 20s from arthritis, and he was right. I was just in so much pain, and the doctors just kept giving me pain medication that was covering it up. It wasn't helping heal. Right. So again, I was going to be living the rest of my life taking these pills and still being in pain. So I kind of just quit cold turkey and went and just started doing yoga at home.
And you became a coach, right?
Yes, I went through teacher training and was certified last December. So it's been a year that I've been certified, and it's definitely my go-to, because everyone can do yoga. Everyone can do yoga. It doesn't have to be. You don't have to be the most flexible person. It has nothing to do with that. You can do yoga in a chair.
Right.
So my business, Healing, Love, and Light, will be hopefully by next month having an online yoga subscription where you can subscribe and you can do it from home. There'll be different workouts on there for you. There'll be like yoga for when you get up in the morning, yoga for when you go to bed. There'll be yoga for hip pain if you have hip pain or back pain or neck pain. I'll have like specialized workouts for all of that. And then you'll also be able to do some yoga with me through videos. But definitely yoga is something that I think everyone should incorporate into their life, no matter how old they are. My boys do yoga, and you know they're little, and no matter how old you get, you can do it. You can do it in a chair if you need to do it, and I'll even have some of those chair yoga classes on there as well.
Much necessary, especially for people who have suffered accidents or even senior citizens.
Accidents, yep.
Those are great. And I want to give a disclaimer on that. It's something that is helping you heal. Pray over it, and if you don't feel comfortable doing it, don't do it. But if you feel that this is something that could help you, and you spiritually could be praying to the God that you serve, then do it. And let's give everybody free will, you know, to do what they need to do without judging them. So that's my disclaimer about yoga. When I was really sick with inflammation, I do believe that the yoga exercises have strengthened my back. And what I do is I just start praying. I have a psalm that I pray over myself. I pray for the people in the same room, and that works for me. So what works for you, works for you. What you believe in, we highly respect it, but we also will ask the same courtesy for what we believe. And again, this is we're sharing what works for us. If it can help you, take it. If it doesn't, then find other experts, other people online. There's so many great people online offering their advice and their techniques. Then find something that fits your beliefs, and then let's move on. And that's what we have for today. Thank you, Destiny, so much for doing this with me. This is something that we have planned on doing for a while. So I'm glad that we had the time to share, and we hope that this information helps you, because that's our goal.
Yes.
Our goal is really to share our experiences and how we've been able to heal and how we've been able to learn from that and share it with you, and we hope that it works. I'm again Jamira Lee Johnson. I'm a holistic life coach, and my website is breakingbreadwithmira.com. You will find more of our blog and services that we offer there. If we can help you any further, just reach out and let us know. Destiny?
And again, I'm Destiny Sanchez, and I am the owner of Healing Love and Light. Our website's healingloveandlight.com. You can find all the stuff that we do on there, and hopefully that yoga subscription will be up and running by next month.
All right. Thank you very much. Enjoy this. Share it with your friends if you feel like this is something that could be helpful for them. Also, give us a like on our social media. I am on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook as Coach Mira Cooks. And Destiny, what's your social media handles?
I have a few. Bite Size Sweets, Namaste Wear, Destiny Love 26, and Light Shine Yoga.
Awesome. We're going to post all of our contact on this video, and so you can find us there. And again, make sure that you find what your passion is, and whatever it is that you're going to do, just walk with purpose and be the light that you want to see in the world.
Yes.